Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will see how to create a simple Python REST API using Codex Agent. So let's start by creating a folder. So I will create a folder by the name Python-API. Okay. I will open this folder inside VS Code, go to File, Open Folder, and Python-API. Okay. Now on the top right corner, you can see the icon of Codex Agent. Click on it. When I click on that icon, so you can see a chat option on the bottom left corner. Okay. So I will ask the Codex Agent now to write the Python code for us. Write a simple Python REST API with cloud operations. I also create a readme.md file. So it will take a couple of minutes to create those files for us. So we will wait. So you can see the Codex agent has generated 3 files: app.py, requirement.txt, and the readme file. So when I click on the Explorer on the top left corner here, you can see all the files are inside the folder which we have created. Okay, so we have app.py, readme.md, and requirement.txt. So if I go to the application app.py, so you can see the code for REST API. Okay, so I will make a small change in the code. I'll make this port to 8000 instead of 5000 because in my system already the port 5000 is running. So I'm making a change in the code to 8000. Okay, I'll save this. Then we have the readme file here and requirement.txt, the dependencies. So let's begin by making use of this readme file to run the application. So first step is to create the virtual environment. So I'll just copy these commands. Then we will activate the virtual environment here. Right. Then we'll install the dependencies. Okay. So dependencies are installed. Then finally we will run the application. Python. Yeah. So the application is running on the localhost or this IP at port 8000. Just copy this. To this support 1000. If I go to this path health, so we have items, right? We don't have any route for health. We have items. Yeah, item is empty now. So we will put some item here, or we can get the ID by running this, or first we will create this item. Okay, so I'll just update the port here, port number to 8000. So I'll open new terminal here and run this command. Okay, if I hit this URL items, you can see I'll get the item present. And then if I hit this command, I'll get the item list. Right, it is 8000. Right, then to update, I will run this command. I need to change the port number here to 8000. Right, so it is updated now. Instead of sample item, it will be updated item. You can see this, right? And to delete, make use of this command. The item 1 is deleted. So click on this. So there is no item in the list present. Right. So this is how we can make use of Codex Agent to write a simple Python REST API. Right. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, everyone.